Hello, today we'll see about partial derivatives. Now consider a function z is equal to f of x comma y, and that is a function of two variables x and y. Suppose if we keep y as constant and vary x alone, z is a function of x only. So derivative of z with respect to x with y as constant is called partial derivative of z with respect to x. Similarly, if we keep x as a constant and vary y alone, z is a function of y only. So derivative of z with respect to y with x as constant is called partial derivative of z with respect to y. And the derivatives are given by partial derivatives are given by dou z by dou x or dou f by dou x, because z is a function of x and y. Z is equal to f of x and y. So you can write it as dou z by dou x or dou f by dou x. Similarly, dou z by dou y or dou f by dou y. You can also denote as fx of x comma y or capital dxf. Now we will see some note. Dou z by dou x can be replaced by small p. Dou z by dou y can be replaced by small q. Dou square z by dou x square can be replaced by small r. Dou square z by dou x dou y can be replaced by small s. Dou square z by dou y square can be replaced by small t. Now what is successive partial differentiation? Let z is equal to f of x comma y be a function in x and y. So dou z by dou x is a function of z with respect to x. Similarly, dou z by dou y is a function of z with respect to y. So again you are differentiating that partial derivatives with respect to x and y. So you will be getting it as dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. It means you are differentiating dou z by dou x with respect to x again. So you are getting dou square z by dou x square. Otherwise you can tell it as dou square f by dou x square or fxx. Similarly, if you differentiate dou z by dou x with respect to y again, you will be having it as dou by dou y of dou z by dou x, which is equal to dou square z by dou y dou x, or you can say it as dou square f by dou y dou x, or simply fyx. Now if you are differentiating dou z by dou y with respect to x again, you will be getting it as dou square z by dou x dou y, or dou square f by dou x dou y, or fxy. If you take dou z by dou y and if you are differentiating that partially with respect to y again, you will be having it as dou square z by dou y square or dou square f by dou y square or fyy. Hope you are clear with this. Now I will tell a problem regarding this. If u is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y square, find dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. So you have u as x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y square. Now what is dou u by dou x? It means you have to differentiate u partially with respect to x alone. So you have to take the x terms alone from u. You can see u is equal to, first term you have it as x cube. So this is x term. So you can differentiate that with respect to x. So you will be getting it as 3x square. Second term is y cube. When you are differentiating with respect to x, y will be constant. So that term will be 0. What about the third term? In third term you have the combination of x and y. It is 3x square y square. You have to differentiate with respect to x here. In that case you will be taking y as constant. So 3y square is a constant. Remaining you have only x square. That x square should be differentiated with respect to x. X square when differentiated with respect to x gives 2x. So 2x into 3y square gives 6xy square. So totally you have dou u by dou x is equal to 3x square plus 6xy square. Now what is dou u by dou y? You have to differentiate u with respect to y partially. So first term you have x cube, that is x term. So when you are differentiating partially with respect to y, x term will be 0. X will be a constant. So derivative of x term will be 0. So first term becomes 0. What happens to second term? Y cube becomes 3y square when differentiating with respect to y. Third term you have the combination of x and y as said already. So 3x square y square, when you differentiate partially with respect to y, 3x square will be a constant. So take it as such, and y square is differentiated with respect to y, it gives 2y. So you are getting 3y square plus 6x square y. Hope you understood. Thank you.